Yes, guys, welcome to the channel. Crypto Boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss. We're all going to be bosses. That is the point of this channel, guys. We ain't here to show Bybit links, guys. We're here to make money together. It's not about me trying to make money of affiliate marketing from you guys, as every other YouTuber is doing right now. I'm here to give you value. I'm here for us to learn together, grow together, for me to teach you all what I know for these 9 years of investing in cryptocurrency. That being said, let's get into the video. All right, then, guys, so Bitcoin is pumping. So in this video, we're going to look at the reasons why we believe Bitcoin is pumping. You're loving the view, currently out in Dubai. Guys, because of crypto is why I'm in Dubai. This is why I'm doing these videos, guys, to inspire you to get into crypto, because crypto saved my life, it changed my life, and it can change yours. Biggest thing in crypto that made it change my life, what I learned, is narrative, guys. It's about finding the narrative. The last narrative for me was crypto coins gaming. So pay to earn, play to earn, crypto gaming. Before that was meme coins. Before that I was invested in Bitcoin, 2013. But that being said, let's continue, guys. All right, so let's take a look into the charts, guys. Bitcoin has pumped over the last few hours. Personally, there's reasons why I think this is. We'll discuss it later on in the video. I'll tell you what I believe is going on, fundamentals and technicals. But right now, let's have a look at Bitcoin. So I see we broke the 29,000 resistance at the bottom here, guys. And we're currently up now at 31,000. Yeah, don't see we're getting past 31,000 for now. But that being said, let's see, guys. Let's see. I feel like we've got a lot of resistance at the 32. But yeah, we will see, guys. We will see. As you know, a bit technical analysis and a bit fundamentals. I like to put them together, and that's how we can see where the market is going. It's not just about TA, it's not just about FA, it's about both, guys, and we're going to put both together. Okay, let's have a look at coin market cap and Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is at 46%. Ooh, guys, that is so high. I legitimately remember the days where we was down to like 30% dominance. And also I remember the days when it was up like 8% dominance. But yeah, guys, so BTC, 46% dominance. Let's have a look at Ethereum, where we at. We're up 7% with Ethereum on the daily. So realistically, Ethereum's up more than Bitcoin. But we kind of know what's going on with Ethereum, the transition from proof of work to proof of stake coming up soon. Ethereum's going to have that pump. And when Bitcoin pumps, I believe for the near future right now, I believe Ethereum's going to have a bit more bigger pump. Okay, guys, moving on. Check out all the biggest gainers and losers today. Luna is down 43% on the old chain, and the new chain down 20%. I'm glad, guys. Luna is for losers right now. Hope no one's in that trash coin, guys. We've lost a lot of money from there, and it ain't coming back. It ain't coming back. Okay, guys, what else we got? Oh, Waves. Waves is a funny one. It always goes up and it goes up 50%, down 50%. Yeah, ADA up 20%. That's looking good for ADA. All right, guys, let's move on. Guys, so there's a bill going to be passed tomorrow. It's already been written up. And this one, I can't get my head around it. We'll know more tomorrow when the full bill is put out. But it's a weird one. Take a look at this video and we'll explain it straight after. Sorry guys, if the volume's not on. Just getting used to all this. So. Okay, volume on.
Earlier.
Let's rewind it.
It is a very comprehensive bill. It will be filed on June 7th. It includes coins that are commodities, coins that are securities. It includes stable coins. It includes a discussion of CDBCs, and consistent with what we heard earlier, and a small nod to NFTs.
Did you see that? A small nod to NFTs. Very bullish for NFTs. And I tell you what I think about what it's going to do to altcoins and Bitcoin just after we watch it.
It includes algorithmic as well as asset-backed.
Yeah, we know they're talking about algorithmic stable coins because of what happened with Luna. So definitely we need some sort of structure, something in place for that. 40 billion sucked out the market. Crazy.
Stable coins, it includes definitions, consumer protection, privacy, taxation, and several other components of the discussion as it relates to all this using the existing regulatory framework. So as you can see, it's a long bill, it's comprehensive. We've had it vetted for months. Michael Saylor was one of our first set of eyes on it, of course, because his expertise is longstanding. And we want to make sure that we have lots of input before we file it.
It's going to accelerate good regulation. Not all regulation is bad regulation.
All right, guys, so this is what I came to conclusion to. Michael Saylor is on the board of running this bill. Michael Saylor is a Bitcoin maxi, which is great for Bitcoin, but it's not good for altcoins. I believe this bill is going to be about negative impacts on altcoins. Altcoins are this, altcoins are that. Algorithmic stable coins are bad. DeFi is a disruption to the financial ecosystem. I genuinely believe it's going to be a bad one for altcoins, but very positive for Bitcoin. So I do believe this is going to put some volume into Bitcoin and suck out a lot of volume out of all coins. All right, guys, so I'm going to be with you every step of the way. Tomorrow, we're going to be talking about the bill, because the bill's going to be passed tomorrow, submitted tomorrow, and we'll talk about that a lot more tomorrow. So, guys, I hope you like this video. If you do like this video and your vibe attracts, your vibe attracts your tribe, then hit the subscribe button, guys. Like this video. I'm about to give you daily news every single day. I'm gonna be here. I could be chilling on the beach in Dubai somewhere, but I'm not. Guys, I love this. It gives me accountability to regurgitate all the information that I learned. It gives me accountability because I research cryptocurrency every single day because I got a marketing agency and I'm just obsessed with crypto. And when I find something that can change lives, I love to inspire other people as well. So guys, let's help each other on this journey, and let's not financial advice here, but let's make a lot of money. Because if you know we're in the bear market, guys, this is the time to double down. Another reason why I'm doing YouTube, because I believe that this is a time to double down. Guys, until the next video, love you all. Let's get this channel to 1 million subscribers. I know that's a bit of a far-fetched, but I'm telling you, we're getting this channel to 1 million subscribers because that's how much value I'm going to give you guys. To the next one, guys. Peace out.